Good morning, students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. First question is, email is sending and receiving messages using internet. Online directory is a collection of interrelated documents on the internet. The words you type into the search box are called keywords. Next question, name two commonly used search engines, Google and Yahoo. What is an ISP? Means Internet Service Provider. Is a company that provides individuals and other companies access to the internet and other related services such as website building and virtual hosting. Among the largest national and regional ISPs are AT&T World Net, IBM Global Network, MCI, Netcom, UUNet and PSI Net. What are the requirements for an internet connection? A computer, a modem and telephone line, an internet browser, software to connect you to the ISP, an account with internet service provider. Again, name two search engines, Yahoo and Ask. So students, today I am going to teach you the World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? World Wide Web, by name the web, the leading information retrieval service of the internet, means the worldwide computer network. The web gives users access to a vast array of documents that are connected to each other by means of hypertext or hypermedia links, hyperlinks, electronic connections that link related pieces of information in order to allow a user easy access to them. World Wide Web or WWW is a collection of documents found on the network of computers, or you can say internet. These documents are multimedia documents, which means they contain text, graphics, audio, video, etc. They also contain hypertext and hyperlinks to other documents on the internet. It is a series of servers interconnected through hypertext. The term WW refers to all the interlinked HTML pages that can be accessed over the internet using a browser. It was originally designed in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Next topic is web browser. These are the examples of web browser. Here you can see there are different types of web browser: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Chromium, Brave, etc. You can see here many more browsers. Okay. Now we will discuss about what is a web browser. A web browser is a software application that people use in order to view web pages on the internet. It is used to locate, retrieve and display documents on the world wide web, including web pages, images, video, and other files. It can be used to upload or download files on FTP servers, send email, chat, and read post article to news groups, etc. The browser sends your request to the web browser or web server, which sends back the information requested by the browser. Example of some popular web browser I have already shown you. These are the example of different types of browsers. Okay. Now, next topic is web client. A web client is an application that communicates with a web server using hypertext transfer protocol. The user side is the client side of the web. It is normally refers to the web browser in the user's machine. It may also refers to plugins and other applications that enhance the browser. The term can imply the entire user machine or refer to any handheld device that provides web access like a phone, etc. A web client contains two parts: dynamic web pages and web browser. Dynamic web pages are produced by application component that run in the web, and a web browser delivers web pages received from the server. Now next topic is hypertext. It is the highlighted text called a hyperlink on a web page that links to another document or web page. The hypertext link can be as small as a letter or word, or as big as all the text on the page. When you move the mouse over such hyperlinks, the pointer changes into a hand symbol. On clicking the hyperlink, you are able to navigate to the other related pages to see more detailed information about the topic. Next topic is website. It is a location on the World Wide Web. It is a collection of many interconnected web pages which are linked to each other by hyperlinks. Each website is owned and managed by an individual company or an organization. Now we will discuss about web page. It is a HTML, means hypertext markup language document on www, which contains text, graphics, sound, and hyperlinks, etc. It has a unique URL on the internet. What is home page? It is the first page that opens up of the website. You can reach the website by typing in the address of the home page. From the home page, you can get to all the other pages of the site by clicking on the hyperlinks. Here you can see when you will click on this hyperlinks, you can get home page. Okay. Now I will discuss about web address. What is web address? The internet is network where millions of computers are connected together. Each computer on the network is called a node. Each node needs an identity for proper communication on the internet. An internet address uniquely identifies a node or resource on the internet without which it cannot be reached by other computers. Internet address may also refer to the name or IP address of a website, means URL. Okay. There are two ways of writing the web address: domain name system and IP address. Domain name system or service or IP address. This part is called domain name and it is called IP address. Now we will understand what is IP address and what is domain name system. Internet protocol address is the address that computers, servers and other devices use to identify one another on the network. IP address uses port numbers between 0 and 255 to address a computer, or we can say it uses 32 bits, means 4 bytes. They are normally written as 4 numbers separated by a period. Here you can see IP address. Domain name system. There are millions of websites and it is difficult to remember the 12-digit address for each. Hence, a character-based naming system, domain name system, is used. When you enter a domain name, its IP address will be resolved by domain name resolvers, DNR. DNRs or resolvers are located within individual internet service providers and organizations. Okay. They locate the IP address of the required domain and the process is called a domain name resolution. Here you can see IP address. I will show you an example of IP address. This is your IP address. Here you can see. Okay. Example of IP address and domain name system. I'll show you. Domain name system. Okay. This is also an example of domain name. This part is called domain name. Homework for today is, what is www? Write phone name of any web browser. Define web server. Give difference between website and web page. Thank you.